For the repair of Hyundai ACB air circuit breakers, the following procedures were necessary. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we use 220-volt AC power supply. First, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test, and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test, and after about 15 minutes the breaker trips. The same process is repeated, and for the other ACB. It is now clear that air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.